me, leave all of your things, yeah. We can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to Greece, full speed, so volley barrier. Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. We can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to Greece, full speed, so volley barrier. Speedboats, baby, in Mickey Beach. Waves in my head, smoking weed. Been through the sand in the deep. All because of what I did on beats, baby. Life sweet, baby. I ain't stop, baby.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, please subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you'll be alert every time I post. If you've been here, thank you for the love and support, and I appreciate you very much. So I'm still having audio problems, but I wanted to do this voiceover just to say hi to you guys and do a little intro, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's just me doing renovation, going out, and also celebrating my birthday, so I hope you guys enjoy it.
Straight to a penthouse, Miami Beach. Hey, yo. Talk crazy on tweets. They don't want it cause I come to defeat. They don't want it. I peep, these niggas all sweet. Bamboo sticks all in the Jeep. It's a new weirdo every week. Get the work, put it up for my seeds. No care for the IG, just no care. Do anything for club. Do anything for club. Do anything for club. They do anything for club. Do anything for club. They do anything for club. Do anything for club.
Whole lot of people need to hear this. It's a lot of names on my hit list. I'll still say what he wants to. Still wet like a big. I should run a whole blog at this rate. They're using my name for clickbait. Even wanna start fake beef. Just said a little weep in the mixtape. They know I'm the bomb, they ticking me off. Say anything to get a response. I know that mean they traffic is slow. Somebody just gotta practice along. So she being tamed, I'd rather be wild. This is bandit, they wanna be down. Soon as got something to sell, they say my name, Destiny Child. Everybody wanna be lit, everybody wanna be rich, everybody wanna be this. They fuss you out, hate me, bring my problems, suck my all of that talking, I'm calling it out. Calling good business from private accounts. You not a check, then you gotta bounce. Back of the drip, come get it now. They do anything for clout, do anything for clout. This is mad, this is trash, this is the grouch. See me win, they gotta hurt, ouch. So when they see me, what they gon' do? Not from the couch, back.
Do anything for club. Do anything for club. Do anything for club. They do anything for club. Do anything for club. They do anything for club. Do anything for club.
Yeah, so I am actually getting ready to get my hair done. It's almost my birthday. I think 6 days from now it's gonna be my birthday, so I've been debating between getting an installation or my hair straightened back, so I don't know, but I decided on getting a straight back, so I'm just gonna do that. And I still want to get my lashes done. I haven't gotten my lashes done, so I'm gonna do that as well. I don't know when, hopefully tomorrow. That's my live update. So I'm gonna go ahead and straighten my hair.
I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My body says, my mind, and my heart. My body says, I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to do is so amazing. Can't ball in a life, man. Go on with it, go on with it. Do us. So we are coming here with a force, yeah. Blessing the reap and we coursing on full. But we not rise on boast. Yeah, we give thanks that we need it the most. We have to give thanks that we really supposed to be thankful.
Leave all of your things, yeah. We can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to grief. Full speed, so volley Paris, yeah. Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. You can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to grief. Full speed, so volley Paris, yeah. Speed post, baby, and Nicky Beach. Waves in my ass, smoking weed. Been through the sand in the deep. All because of what I did on beats, baby. Light sweet, baby. I ain't stop, baby. You just go get ready, we go out, baby. Long time looking for the cross,
Moi j'avais des beaux temps là.
Stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come on me, fly you out the beat. Full speed, so volley Paris, yeah. Come on me, leave all of your things, yeah. You can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come on me, fly you out the beat. Full speed, sweet on Julie. Rolls Royce, baby, and getting deals. Bags full of $100 bills. Talking past your wife and she get chilled. All because of how I kept it real. Light sleep, baby, on the G-Way. I'll get you anything you need, baby. Work for everything you see, baby. Ooh, baby, ooh, come me, leave all of your things, yeah.
Your boy got the full body do-rag out.
What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options, I can pass that like stocking. Just joshing, I'ma spend this holiday locked in. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone, put it back.
Can't believe I believed everything we had was less. We young and naive of me to she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of having you kiss. So great it feels right when it's wrong. I can't believe I fell for your schemes. I'm smarter than that. I'm naive to believe that with me you're a changed man. Foolish of me to compete when you cheat, when who's winning. It took me some time, but now I'm moved on. Because I realize I gotta hate myself. It's all I gotta be in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Hate myself. It's all I gotta be in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Controlling, you say that you love me, but you don't. Your family told me one day I would see it on my own. Next thing I know, I'm dealing with the 3 kids in my own. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong.
young, so what's the rush? Tonight is young and we not drunk enough. You'll come around if I don't do too much. We had our downs, but we had way more ups. Let's make love. That be the reason that you always hit me up. I swear, you like the way I feel, cause I get buff. You told me your new man don't make you miss it. I'm saying, you come here, I knock you off the damn frame. Remember that last time I made you miss your damn plane? Remember that last time I wet you down with champagne? Remember that? And I know I've been the worst, but I love you better if you let me. Let's catch a flight, change the weather, and I promise forever